morning! We were just leaving Collingwood. It was very rainy last night, so we didn't do a lot. But it's dry for now. I think this afternoon is going to be rainy. So we're going to try and go up to Farewell Split, which is like half an hour away, which is the top point of the South Island. And it's got all sand dunes and things to have some walks around. So we're going to try and get out while it's not raining, and then maybe work our way to Wharariki Beach. Not sure if we'll be able to see that today, or we might have to sit there and wait till tomorrow because of the tides and stuff.
Yeah, you have to see it during the right tide, otherwise there is no beach.
Yeah. Just going to enjoy the ride here. I think most of the road is going to be like this. Lots of little passing places. I'm just happy when it's a natural road.
Although we just got a big old white thing in our view.
Yeah. Got the sea. Nice beach. Flat, which is the start of Farewell Spit.
Yeah.
And then we are going to try and walk, the little one. You can walk all of this bit, but it takes hours. So we're going to, it could take like 4 hours to do all of it. We're just going to try and do a little bit of it. You can do tours to the dunes and stuff while they drive on it. And then we're going to try and find this bit afterwards because we couldn't see where the information centre and stuff is. So Farewell Spit is like the top point of the South Island. And a lot of nature and dunes, lots of birds here. So they do a lot of bird watching tours and stuff as well. But yeah, driving buggies on the dunes in like big coaches. Hopefully find the marker for where it goes over to this bit, because I don't know that it's that well signposted. Lots of birds. And a David.
Very windy. So we found the sign, so we're going that way. But if you're not careful, you could have just kept walking down that way. And then where would we be?
Just at the end. And then you walk for another 2.5k and then you have to turn around. Go to the outer beach. And the sea on the other side.
And David. How can I help you? What do you want from me?
That's what I wanted. From the beach, you came down this bit, and then we have to follow the orange markers back to the car park. Car park via farm, 30 minutes. Follow the footprints. The bush we go. 4 different landscapes on this walk. Came through the forest. Now we're just taking the track back to our farm. The last bit has been walking over those stiles in the field, and now car park.
Sheep!
There didn't seem to be a road up to Congo Hill, so now we are going to try and find the little car park for the Pillar Point track, and we are back on gravel. This does eventually go to Wharariki Beach as well. So I didn't end up stopping at Pillar Point because it was going to be another 45 minutes each way uphill. So come along the road to Cape Farewell, which has a viewpoint of 32 meters. We'll have a look at that, and then we're going to head down to Wharariki to decide if we want to stay at the campsite there. Because we can go to the beach, but we wouldn't really see it at the minute because it's high tide. So we either stay there tonight or we go back to where we were and go really early in the morning. So I'm just going to drive down and see what the campsite and stuff looks like afterwards. But let's check out this view.
Well, welcome to Cape Farewell, most northernmost part of the South Island. I'm actually going to take my hat off. Enjoy this fence because it starts off really weak, gets better, and then literally falls off a cliff. It's like, okay.
Sand dune. Edge of high tide, it's now starting to go up. So you can usually walk around where all these rocks are when the tide is low, but it's still stunning. You definitely don't need to avoid it at high tide, it's worth the 20-minute walk over so you can see it.
It's really pretty here, but we probably wouldn't stay because the tide was actually further out than we expected, so there's more of a beach than we expected. You can't obviously go through like next to the rocks at the moment, but we're just kind of trying to decide if that's something we need to do or not. We've been rather spoiled recently. But yeah, we'll make a decision and figure out what else we want to do today.
Dave's having a wade. I got boots on, I can't be bothered to do it. A proper splash to it.
Well, I'm zoomed in and I'm about to lose my hat. It is a nice view, but I don't think we need to go further.
Hello! Just a wade through some water in the van where it had flooded. Road had flooded. That was fun. So the sea has come over and there was also a lagoon on the other side, so we're just trying to navigate and not get flooded. Glad we didn't come any earlier to drive back.
Don't bet your horses yet.
We might have to turn around and head back to the other one if not. But we are back on the other side past Collingwood. We decided that we are going to try and stay at Wharariki, which is the other end of Golden Bay, near Wainui.
Only about a 50-minute drive though.
Yeah, it's not too far, it's just we're just going to wiggle through all the different beaches and bays of Golden Bay to get there, and then we shall see what the weather is doing. We may not do much else today, we just chill and then like go and have a look at stuff tomorrow. But yeah. So yeah.
Show them.
Yeah, don't you?
I was going to say show them the sky.
It's kind of grey at the minute. It might rain. But it should be nice tomorrow, so at least we'll be in that area.
Oh.
Yeah.
Right.
Wharariki Beach. Actually see some of like the nice Golden Bay-ness of the area generally. Although the tide has gone back out now. This is Tata Beach. Looking much more like Abel Tasman. You can see some of the fancy homes up there. Somewhere around here, or I think I can see them, is also the nice houses and tents that you can rent out or drift off grid. Pretty. Got to a little restaurant. It's cute in there. Very quiet and in the middle of nowhere, but nice.